Hi there. In this video, we'll look at defining the work calendar for a project and also creating and saving a project. The first step is to click on our Windows icon. We'll go to Microsoft Project, which is here, Microsoft Office, and Project 2013. We'll create a new project by clicking Blank Project, and we have now got a new project. Its default is called Project 1 and saved in Project Professional. Our first step will be to set the project start date. To do that, we click on the Project ribbon, the Properties subgroup, and within here, Project Information. This is the default date which is used for tasks without a start date. So here, we'll change the start date and select the next Monday that we have, which is the 9th of March 2020 in this case. I'll click on OK. Something to notice here, we have different calendars. So if we have a standard 8 to 5 workday, we'll use standard, and there are other options that we can have for calendars here too. We can save this file by clicking simply here on Save. This will ask me to choose a file name, so I'll click on, in my case, Desktop. And I'll save it as MRI Installation Project. And I'll put in today's date as well. The next step is to define the work calendar. To do this, we will click on the Project ribbon, the Properties subgroup, and Change Working Time, which is this button here. What we see here is the ability to change the days that someone is able to work. So we can account for working time and account for holidays within that working time. So we can click on the Exceptions tab to add holidays. Under here, we'll add 3 holidays. Let's go Good Friday, which is the 10th of April, Easter Monday on the 13th of April, and Anzac Day will be the 27th of April. You are free to add as many as you need here. Now, the next thing that we can do is check the work weeks. So in this section here, if you want to change the hours that someone is working within your business, we can click on the Details button. And for particular days, we can change the default working time by clicking on one of the 2 radio buttons here. Now, if you do change that time, you would also need to change the default times here. So you're clicking on File, then Options, then Schedule. And you would have to change your hours per day, hours per week, and days per month to match how you have changed your working times. The other thing that we will do is click on New Tasks are Effort Driven. This has an effect on our resource allocation. All right, thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll look at entering tasks.